A legacy of excellence. Introducing Farland Classic Restoration. Tucked away from the hustle and bustle, Farland Cars is a sanctuary for classic car enthusiasts. It's more than just a shop, it's a place where automotive dreams are brought back to life. For years, Farland Cars has been synonymous with meticulous craftsmanship and a passion for preserving automotive history. The team at Farland understands that each classic car holds a unique story. It's a testament to a bygone era of design and engineering. They approach each project with the reverence and respect it deserves. Their dedication goes beyond mere work. It's a true passion. The art of automotive revival, craftsmanship at its finest. At Farland, skilled mechanics and craftsmen blend traditional techniques with modern technology. They meticulously restore each vehicle to its former glory. From engine overhauls to bodywork and upholstery, no detail is overlooked. The air hums with the sounds of grinders, welders, and the soft murmur of experts discussing their craft. Each member of the Farland team brings years of experience to the table, ensuring that every restoration meets the highest standards. A symphony of detail, the Farland restoration process. The restoration process at Farland is a carefully orchestrated symphony of steps. It begins with a thorough inspection and assessment of the vehicle. A plan is then crafted, taking into account the client's vision and the car's unique needs. From there, the team gets to work stripping the car down to its bare bones. Each part is meticulously cleaned, repaired, or replaced as needed. The bodywork is painstakingly perfected, and a fresh coat of paint brings back the car's original luster. Gearing up for the future, upcoming projects at Farland. Farland Cars is always excited about the future of classic car restoration. Next year promises to be a year of exciting projects with several rare and sought-after vehicles scheduled for complete restorations. One thing is for sure, Farland will continue to be a haven for classic car enthusiasts, a place where passion and expertise combine to create automotive works of art.
If you have a classic car that deserves the very best, Farland Cars is ready to help you write its next chapter.